Okay, don't mind my outfit. I don't know what else to wear. But here's the paint. Let me see if I could try opening this. Let's see. Oh my god, my hands are full of paint. Oh my god, really estuve en el agua todo chocolate. Ay, para que vean que limpiamos, ¿verdad? No está mal. So I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I got for the bathroom. So a lot of the stuff that you guys see right here, I ended up getting them at Ross, Burlington, and Big Lots and Marshalls. Because honestly, they always have a lot of cute stuff for like super cheap prices. So I would definitely recommend going to those places if you're trying to decorate your home for a very low price. Look at all this cute stuff that I got. I forgot to film this, but I also ended up replacing these because the ones that we had, they were just like really old already. You want to take a shower? Yeah? Come on, go on. Go, come on. Go. Come on, go. Come on. Come on. What? Do you want to shower? You want to take a shower? Come on. Come on, let's go. Ow! Guys, I'm being attacked by my two dogs. Who wants to shower first? You want to shower? Come on. Who wants to shower? So we're gonna start off by hanging these, and I think I'm gonna put them right here. So next, what are we gonna do next? Thinking this one will look cute right here. And then I could put all my lotions. All my lotion. I think that would look cute. Kinda goes with it. So I got this thing at Amazon and I believe it was like $30. So this one goes. Try not to drop my camera because I'm like trying to film and put this thing at the same time. So we're gonna add some stuff to it. Towel holder in Amazon for like 15 bucks. Okay, so I know I didn't film this, but I don't know if you guys remember in the beginning of the video, the door was just plain white. So what we ended up doing, we ended up ordering this door, what is this, like a sticker, and we got this on Wishlist. So yeah, it's basically like a sticker for your door, and this is how it looks now. And we also ended up replacing this. So basically what we ended up doing in this bathroom, we changed the color. It's kind of like a pinkish. It used to be orange. Don't ask me why. But yeah, we changed the color. We changed the sticker on this to something more bright, so more light could go in here. We ended up adding a bunch of new or decorations. So yeah guys, this is my bathroom makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.